tells like, oh, Wayne's gonna set those bars like that, I'm just gonna put them right back. Like, okay, dude, whatever.
What do you think?
Whatever the fuck, he's like, oh, Wayne's gonna set those bars like that, I'm just gonna put them right back. Like, okay, whatever. Watch why you ride the way you ride. You ride the way you ride, dude. Because you don't listen to people.
That right there's a good shit, boy. Tell you what. Hey, where's that linkage that you had?
That's up on the table.
There it is. All by hand. Courtesy of Paul Collintone. Well, this got a little dirty, but everything that could be polished. What's up?
This is the cami you're talking about?
Yes, sir. There's a lot of stuff that's still dirty, needs to be repolished. We've been finger marking everything while we're cleaning and greasing and mocking things together, but even with that, it's fucking glass. Even the back cradle, it's dirty and it's still like glass. Everything's been hand polished. What do you say we got into this? Probably between everybody, like probably like 85 to 100 hours now in polishing. What do you think, Wayne? This other side. Remove the Honda emblem. Sanded everything down. Polished it. Whole inside the cradle. This has been wire brushed just to look back to a factory finish somewhat. A lot of this stuff is dirty, but you get the idea. And everything down to the welds polished. Underneath.